Hey everyone, it's me again. So today I'm getting ready. I'm going for some ceremony rewards. So I just had a shower. I washed my hair and I thought I'm gonna make a video and I'm going to show you how I blow dry my hair with the round brush. You have that. I had that video before, the previous video of the blow dry with the round brush. But today I'm going to add the VELCRO, and when I do that, that's gonna give me really nice volume root lift on the roots, and then in the ends I'm going to get a really nice curls, but really nice and soft. And I really love doing this blow dry, and I would recommend this blow dry for people who actually cannot use the brush so well to blow dry their ends, to smoothen it. This really helps. They really do help. So first I'm gonna take my towel off, and as I said before in my previous video, I never blow dry my hair. I never use any heat on my hair without spraying it with heat protection serum. So that's one of my favorites. It's keratin thermal protection spray. I bought it from Thales, and it's anti-frizz, so that's perfect for people who have problems with the frizz. It's locking the hair, the moisture in the hair, and when you go out, it actually doesn't make your hair go poof. So it's really good, especially if you straighten your hair. So I'm gonna spray some all over, not the roots, underneath the roots. And that's it. And now, while my hair is wet, I'm going to brush it with the Tangle Teaser. I have 2 of them, one with henna and one without. So I'm just going to brush my hair. And when you brush your hair, you should start always from the ends and then go up to the roots. The reason is because when your hair is tangled, if you start from the roots going down, it's gonna make the hair even more tangly, and you're gonna have a big tangle here, and it's gonna be really hard for you to brush it. So first start with ends and then go up, and it makes it much easier. So after I've done that, now my hair is all brushed. I will dry my hair, roughly dried, with my hair dryer, no nozzle, because we want to dry it fast and we don't want to concentrate in one direction, we want to go all over. So I've done now the rough dry with the dryer, and now I'm going to use the round brush, and I'm going to dry nicely the hair, and I will get ready the rollers. So I have different sizes. I have the large, medium and small, and the smallest one. I will put back the nozzle. What I'm doing now is, as you can see, I've done like, I wrapped the hair around the brush, I put some heat on it. Now I'm waiting for the brush to get a bit colder. And then, when I take it off, quickly, I'm going to take the medium one, the smallest one roller, and I will, while the hair is still hot, I will wrap the hair around the roll, and I will use one clip just to clip it so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to do the same with the other side. Make sure when you do that, the ends are really nicely in, because if you leave ends to be sticking out, then after that your ends, if they won't be smooth and you don't like the effect. We'll keep going like that up to the top, and then I'll show you how we're going to do the halo. So now I've done my back, I've done my sides, and it's only that part left to be put into the vacuum rollers. So I will start, the way I'm going to blow dry it is I will start from the back and going forward. And we want a nice volume. So I will get one more part here and put it down because that's too wide to go into one row. And then I'll get this one where my parting is, and I'll put it down. So we want nice bottom. We need to blow dry 90 degrees like that. Then we take a big roll and we stick it like that. There you go. Now we're going to do the other side. Right, now we start from the back. This is one section. Put it down. So that's how it looks. It's not pretty at all, but don't worry, once we take them off, you will see how amazing the result is. Now while I'm waiting for that, because now I have to stay like that for at least 10-15 minutes till the hair cools down, it gets cold. And I will spray a hairspray all over it now. So I will spray a natural hold hairspray because I don't like my hair to be like all hard, and when I move it's not moving anywhere. So all over it. I know my hairdresser should be used to that smell, it's really strong. Right. So while I'm waiting for that, I'll start getting my makeup ready. There will be another video coming up how I'm doing my makeup. So subscribe and wait for it. Like, share, please comment, let me know what you think. And I will start now with my makeup. And later on I will show you the results of how my hair it is. See you soon. Be nice if you subscribe. So now I'm taking down all the rollers, and that's the best part to see what is the end result. So just take it slowly, and as you can see there is a really nice color, and I'm so glad. It's really pretty and the hair is so smooth. Now we're going to keep going with the rest of the hair. Just gently, don't pull them. You can see it's so much volume and so much movement. It's really incredible and so easy. Incredible, really good. And that all happened while I was doing my makeup. Please check the tutorial for my makeup if you really like it, because I really do. And let me know if you like it when you click on the like button. So now I'm just going to use my hands to manipulate the hair. I'm really pleased. I'm excited and I'm really pleased. And there you go. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of oil just to smoothen the ends and to keep the moisture in my hair, because after the blow dry probably my hair is a little bit dry. So I'm just going to get the oil, and I'm going to use the macadamia oil, just few pumps, just a little bit at my ends. It's incredible. I'll show you the back now, and I would like to see the back as well. Wow, this is really good. It's amazing. And there you go. This is my final look of the blow dry I did with the round brush. And after that I used the velcro rollers, and it was so nice and easy, and as you can see the result is incredible. It's just unbelievable, and I'm really pleased. So if you'd like to see more of me, please subscribe, and I'll see you soon again. Have a nice day, and talk to you soon again. Bye.